Hello everyone. We are back again with another fun Ashanti tree. And today's phrase is I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well. And we say it me ho enfame. Say it again. Me ho enfame. No slanging. Say it again. Me ho enfame. Me ho enfame. Me ho enfame. Okay, so that was a very simple one. This sentence is not that difficult to pronounce. So try it again. Me ho enfame. Great job. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye. And watch the next video after you finish watching this and know how to pronounce the sentence. What makes you perfect? Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes everyone perfect. So let's say it one more time. Mehon enfame. Mehon enfame. All right, bye. Have a great day. And let's go on to the next video. Bye.